What's up guys, Isaiah here. It is Wednesday. Here's the plan. We're gonna see what's going on and we'll pass it on to the next shop. So starting with this, we have a Range Rover Sport. Beautiful vehicle, came here to us for two things. We tinted the fronts to match the rear section in our XR line of film, and then we did a Fusion premium coating on this. 8-year coating that's gonna make this vehicle look great, freshly waxed, and make it easier for him to take care of overall. It's done, just waiting on the customer to pick up this afternoon, and she'll be going home. But then we have this. I'm sure you're curious as to what you're looking at here if you haven't heard us talk about it before. This is a chop top Saturn Sky with an LS motor in it. And this thing sounds beastly. We're actually going to take off whatever remainder of the vinyl is on here, and we're gonna do a vinyl wrap on it. We typically do not do vinyl anymore, but we do make special exceptions here on occasion for very interesting projects just like this. So stay tuned. I'm sure we'll have some other content here for that moving forward here in the future. Moving on, we have this project car here for the week for two things: paint protection film as well as a ceramic coating. Customer accidentally hit a deer. You know, this is Pennsylvania, that's how it goes here. So he had to have several pieces of paint protection film redone and then recoated. So the PPF is done. Coating will be happening up here very shortly, and then we'll proceed on with the work of everything else. That takes me to this here, 2023 GLC 300. Came here once again for two things. We did paint protection film on the hood of this vehicle, and then we finished up with a ceramic coating being the Fusion Plus 4-year coating. Looking great, is also complete. Just need to call the customer and then we'll get that on its way. So here we have full wrap of the week number 1, full wrap of the week number 2 being the G-Wagon behind it, and then we got the other two inside at the moment. So starting with this is a 06-07 package, doing a full 8mm wrap as well as the Fusion Plus 4-year coating on this, and then we'll be doing the same thing with the G-Wagon behind it. Additionally, on the G-Wagon though, we did a full XR Plus tint installation on the doors, the sides, the rear glass, as well as a visor on that front windshield. She's looking great. Process is going to be getting started here for the PPF very shortly, and then after that we'll follow up with the ceramic coating as well. Aaron here is busy trimming this RAV4. We did the bumper of it in our paint protection film, just getting its final look over, and I'll be ready to go home after he's complete with it. And that takes us to the last thing that we have out here. Our pal Stretch brought his new Acura in to get some tint, and that's complete. Just gotta call him and we'll get that back to him as well. But you know, I don't do well with the heat. Let's go inside. And yet we have another full wrap. And no surprise here, it's a C8. So we have this ceramic matrix gray C8 getting our 10mm option as a full wrap, and it will be followed up with the Fusion Plus Premium 8-year coating. He's going all out for this vehicle, good customer of ours, and we're just happy to be able to protect another vehicle for him. And then that takes me to the vehicle behind me. As I mentioned, typically we don't do vinyl wraps anymore, but under certain circumstances, we'll get our hands in once in a while. So we have this being wrapped in a purple vinyl from the brand KPMF on this Model 3. Things are going well. Just need to continue on, do a couple more panels here, and then from there we'll be following up with a ceramic coating on that, and we already did tint the windows here, so things are up and up. But the vehicle behind it, that's a vehicle we did a full wrap on previously. Just needed a few things touched up and taken care of, and then we're just waiting for the owner to pick up. 23 Sierra, look at this, beautiful truck. Came in for several things: paint protection film, full front clip, as well as wear and tear package. We tinted the windows and we did a ceramic coating on the exterior. She's looking great, has a nice mirror finish, and it's gonna be getting picked up here in the next day or so. Kind of lied. We have 4 full wraps here. I said there 2 were inside. The last one's actually outside. It's gonna be a black Magno finish S63 Mercedes, doing a full stealth wrapping coating on it, get it protected, maintain that same appearance without having to sacrifice any protection. But then we also have this satin finish. Let's see, what is this? An Impala, pretty sure, 67. And so we'll be doing strip and retint on some of the windows here, but we're also doing a ceramic 3-in-1 for it. Reason why we're going with the ceramic 3-in-1 from Griot's is if we were to use our true ceramic coating, these hand-painted stripes here would be at risk for getting damaged and or being removed altogether from that coating. So moving forward, going with a little less strong of a coating, but enough to still make a difference for this. So the last thing we got going on inside today is tint. We have this Charger being strip and retinted on the sides, going to a lighter option. We're doing that in our CS line. But he's hard at work here, stripping retinting this vehicle. It's gonna look great by the time we're done. You know, that's it for what we got going on here in LATROBE. Luke, sending it over to you, buddy. What you got going on?
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a walk inside and take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Here we have a 2022 F250. This was in the shop last year for a 4-year ceramic coating, and it's back in the shop this week for its annual maintenance checkup. In the ceramic coating bay is this 2022 Genesis G70. This is in for our full front paint protection film, a wear and tear package, and then an 8-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. This is the new premium coating through XPEL. So this is an 8-year, not a 4-year warranty coating. Next up is a 2023 Toyota Tacoma. This is in for our 2 front windows to be tinted in our Prime XR 20% tint, the hood and fenders and paint protection film, and then the 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have this 2021 Ford Expedition. This is in for the full windshield. You can see Ian laying that up on the outside of the window right now, and our Prime XR Plus 55% tint. And after that, we'll be doing the 2 front windows in our Prime XR 20% to match the back section. One of our 2 full wraps of the week is this 2023 TRX. You can see Steve doing his thing up here with the disassembly, getting off all of the plastic hood accent pieces. Very soon, this will be a stealth finish vehicle. So right now you can see it's the silver metallic paint with the black rocker panels. We're gonna be doing this entire vehicle in XPEL stealth paint protection film. We've already tinted all the side windows, the back window, sunroof, and full windshield in our Prime XR Plus 98% infrared heat rejection tint. And once that's all complete, we'll be coating both the inside and the outside of this truck. Back in the wash bay is this M5 competition from our good friend Kevin. Kevin has sent us a ton of vehicles over the years, and this is just one of those vehicles. So this was coated about 2 years ago now. It's still beating like the day we did it. So it's in for the maintenance checkup for the week. And so far it's passing all the tests. Up on the lift is our second full wrap of the week. This one, a new C8. You can see the contrast between the gloss door and the stealth front of the vehicle here. So black stealth is a really, really unique look. This one is getting the side windows tinted, the full stealth wrap, and a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Up in the showroom on the platform is a new vehicle to our shop. It is a Ferrari California. Best part about this vehicle are the wheels. So this is our wheel of the week here in Gibsonia. We have some floating spokes, which is a really, really unique look. And the yellow calipers really pop, being that the only other thing yellow on the vehicle is the Ferrari badging. So really cool vehicle and even cooler wheels. That's all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Nate in Miami.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout Tinting in Miami. Check out what we got in the shop this week. Here we have a 2023 GMC Terrain. They got the XR factory match tint on the 2 front windows. Another vehicle we have out here in the tint bay. We're gonna be tinting the 4 doors, quarters, and back window of this brand new Toyota RAV4 with our CS 35%. Over here in the tint bay, we have a brand new 2023 Tesla Model Y. Just got the 2 front windows tinted with our XR black ceramic tint to match that rear section. This week it's going to be getting a full ceramic coating as well as the interior. Over here in the PPF bay, we have a brand new 2023 Toyota Corolla SE Hybrid. We're doing the full paint protection film wrap as well as a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.